Hi, welcome guys. In today's video I'm going to show you how to create a blog step by step. Do you have an idea which you want to teach people about online but you don't know how to go about it? I am Abrazak from fastnow.com, and in today's video I'm going to be your guide on how to create a blog step by step. Now let's get started. To create a blog, first of all you need a domain. A domain is the name of your blog. Is the name of your blog. You have to buy it from the company. There are different companies out there. Fastcomet is the name that is the name of the company which bought our domain name from. There are different types of domain name there. If you visit my website, search for domain name company, then different types of domain name will appear to you where you can buy a domain name from them step by step. I created an article about that on my website. Visit fastnow.com and search for it. You will be amazed on top best web hosting and domain registrars company that I wrote articles about there. Your duty now is to visit the blog and search for it. It's going to be very easy for you to follow step by step. Then another thing is web hosting. Web hosting is the name of the company that hosts the files of your website. Your website must have a files, it must have an image, it must have a video, it must have a document. The company that is going to host it is called the web hosting company. Sometimes if a company can sell to you both the domain name and the web hosting. If you buy a domain name from them, they will give you web hosting for free. One of the company that do that is Fastcomet, is a company which we bought our domain name from. You may visit our website for more step by step about it. You will love it very well. And the next step is you install WordPress. WordPress is a content management system. It powers over 35% of websites in the world for now, according to statistics. After you bought your domain name and the web hosting, that company will send you an email which is called a receipt, and it contains the login details of your cPanel and WordPress dashboard. Your duty now is to use that your cPanel log into your cPanel and install WordPress from them. After successfully log into the cPanel dashboard, you navigate to the software loss, click WordPress, then you enter your WordPress login details of your choice, your username, your email address, your password, the version of WordPress that you want to install, the directory that you want to be at the front of your domain name of your website URL. Automatically they will give you WP, and if you don't want to any directory to be at the front of your URL, you may delete it. After entering all the details, lastly you enter the email that you want your WordPress login details to be sent to. You enter it, then you click install. Successfully your WordPress has been installed successfully on your domain name. You can now log into your WordPress where you can create a post, create a page, design your website, install plugin, install theme, develop your website. That is that one. Then another thing you do now is you install important plugins on your WordPress website. There are plugins there, they're just like an application or software that you use on your device without you coding anything. That is what the plugin do. There are thousands or even millions of plugins on the WordPress directory now. Both are there for you for free. They are both for free and paid one. Your duty now is to find the best plugin that you need for your requirements, that you need for your features or function that you want to have on your website. Your duty now is to find the plugin. For example, if you want to add a contact form on your website, the plugin that does that is Contact Form 7. Just log into your WordPress dashboard, you navigate to the plugin, you click add new, then you search for the name Contact Form 7. After that, the plugin Contact Form 7 will appear to you, plus other different plugins that related to contact form. related to you, we advise you to download contact form, the one by WP7. That one is very important, it's very good, because there are millions of users that are using it now. They have a positive review about them. That is why we recommend you to install and activate it on your website. They were not the sponsor of this video. I just thought about it because it's very important for you to have a contact form on your blog. Install contact form. You now go further to create posts, add pages to your website. You add the contact form page, and you add a page, you create a page, you call it contact. Then you follow the steps in the plugin you downloaded in the first step. Then you create a contact form on a website where your customers can be able to contact you about how they feel, about the promotion they want you to do for them, etc. They can contact you for any reason. They can contact you for business purpose. They can contact you for anything. But a blog must have a contact form section. It's very important for you to have a contact form. Then the another step now is to go on to install Google Analytics on your WordPress website. It's very good. Google Analytics, it helps you know the performance of people that use your website. By Google Analytics, if it is well installed and or set up on your website, you can be able to track the performance of the people, like their location, the tribes, the devices they are using to browse your website, the keyword they use from search engine to your website. Are they coming from the search engine, social media? What percentage of them are coming from different locations of your choice? You can use that one to analyze the performance of your website. That is what the Google Analytics is. Analytics, as its name implies, you use it to make the analytics. You can use it to rebrand your website, because if the interest of the people that are coming to your website, if you analyze their interest, their age, their location, their device, the keyword they type in to their web browser before they can find your product or service, then you can rebrand your website according to them. You can also use Google Analytics to find the keyword idea for your product or service. Google Analytics helps you do that. It also helps you know the bounce rate of the people that use your website. You know how many times they spend, the particular page they spend their time on most. Google Analytics help you know that bounce rate is calculated in percentage. Is the time back each people that visit your website bounce back, leave your website and go to another place. The bounce rate is 100%. If your bounce rate is too low, if it's too low, that means the people are very interested in on your website, on your blog. What you are teaching them about is very good, it's authentic, they are interested. That way Google increases your ranking on Google search. You recommend your website to people. But if your bounce rate is very high, 80%, 70%, that means what you are offering, what you are saying on your blog is not good for other people to come. Hence, they will lower your ranking. If you were ranking at number 3 before on Google search engine before, as the percentage of your bounce rate is higher now, then they will reduce your ranking to 5 to 6 to 7. Before you know, it will go down. You will not appear on Google search results again. That is why it's very important to put the interest of your customers on your priority on your table. You have to consider it every time, how you can make your customers better, happier, how you can make them their life easier, more comfortable for them. That is all what you have to be thinking as a blogger, as a digital marketer, and Google Analytics helps you that. For more information on how you can install and activate and set up Google Analytics on your website, click the description in this video to to go and watch that, I show it to you on my blog post, fastennow.com. You may go there and read. You can also watch it on this YouTube channel by visiting the description of this video. Opening the description of this video, you will find the link there. Go to there and watch it. You know how to install it step by step. It's very easy. Then another thing you will do on your website is you create a Google My Business account for your blog. That way, people that search for your product on Google search, they can be able to visit you on your Google My Business profile. Google My Business is a local one that is an account that helps you rank for a local search, like best blogger around me in my area, best blogger in Nigeria. In either as they are typing that in their web browser, then Google will appear you to their front. That way they can go higher to read your blog post, buy your products from them. Then last but not the least is how you can earn money from your blog. By striving to buy a domain name, buy web hosting, spend your time to write blog posts is not easy. At the end of all this thing, how are you going to be benefited? That way you will earn money from your blog. I will show you now how you can earn money from your blog. There are many different ways that you can earn money from your blog as a blogger or as a webmaster. One of them is a display advertisement, where you approach company, you collect their products and display it on your website, so that people that are visiting your website, that are reading your blog post, can be able to click on the ad or view the advertisement. One of the best way to do that is you create an account with Google AdSense. AdSense is an account created by Google. They will display advertisements of other companies on your website. That way they collect money from that company, and at the end of the month they will credit you. How you can earn money from Google AdSense differs. It differs based on the type of traffic you get. If your traffic is organic traffic, that means you get traffic from search engine. That way the amount of money you are going to earn is higher than the amount of other blogger that earns his traffic from social media earns. That one is different, and it also depends on the location of your visitors, the countries where your visitors are coming from. If they are coming from European countries, that way Google will pay you more than the people that get their traffic from Africa, like Ghana, like Nigeria, like Kenya. These are the lowest income countries in the world, and hence Google will not pay you more for that traffic. You have another way. You need to be professional in your field, know what your blog is all about, write consistent posts on a particular niche, be centered on a particular niche, know what your audience wants, and let them know what you are good at. That way, anytime they need help, they will not go to other company or other websites, other blogs to find a solution to their problem. They will directly come to your website and search for it. That is very easy. Sometimes, if you are a professional in the field, if they type something on the Google search, then they will enter your website name at the front, because they know that they are going to find information from your website which they need at that particular moment. That's why it's very good to be professional in your field, be expertise at what you do, pick one niche of your choice, trace it back to when you were a child, what did you love doing, even if you didn't get paid. Trace back to that thing. That is where you can build your business with. You can build your business with what you like, and that is okay for now. You can join affiliate marketing as another source of earning money from your website. That way, I recommend it. Affiliate marketing, yes. You go to another company, you join the affiliate program, and anytime people buy from your website using your link, then you will be getting an affiliate commission. That way, you don't need to create a product by yourself or service by yourself. You are just a seller, you are just a middleman. You just collect a product from a company, you put it on your website, and anytime your visitors buy it from your website, then you will get paid without doing any work. That is easy. Another way you can earn money is you accept sponsored posts from companies that relate to your own. If you are professionally centered on a one topic, on a one niche, people that owns a company will come to you and contact you to publish about their product or service on your blog, so that your blog visitors can be able to read it, enjoy what they buy the product or use the service that the blog post you have written about contains. That is what sponsored post. There are many sponsored posts on the internet. Or before you can do business, you have to be centered on a particular topic. For example, if your blog is all about cooking, then a company that sells cooking ingredients will come to you to write sponsored posts about their products, about their ingredients. For example, about the tomato, you publish about it, the benefits of eating tomato, then you link to them. People that read that, as you are professionally known as a cooking blog, about to share the tips on how to make a very good cooking on your blog. So that hence your customers have known that you are a professional, you are a chef, you are a professional cooking blogger. They'll come to your blog. If they see that post, they'll read it and they'll click that the link in your blog post to go to the website which you are discussing about the best features of their tomatoes on your website. That way, that is called sponsored post. You don't have to pay for anything. That is that. I hope this video has helped you know how you can start a blog step by step. Please let me know how you think via the comment section. Subscribe to the channel if you know that it's helpful. Please give this video a thumbs up in order for us to reach more audience. Thank you for watching. Goodbye.